If I was to summarise RAPAID, the charity, we've got one mission, and that's to save lives. I'm a military veteran, and I was also a police firearms officer. And during my careers, we were issued these bandages, and they're designed to stem serious blood loss. And I thought to myself, how do we get these bandages out into the public? Why have the public not got them? And that's when it dawned on me, we need to get them on the taxis.
Today we're here in Brewery Road. A taxi driver could come into our service reception, come into sales, and simply ask for one. We will have kits available free of charge for any taxi driver who wants to take part in this fantastic initiative. Equally, any of our network will be offering this out, so get in touch with any Levc site, your local repairer, your local sales centre, and they'll be happy to assist you in getting a kit in your cab.
Hey Brooke, thanks for letting me come out today and speak to you.
Thank you for fitting the RAPAID into my cab. You know, there's been a few instances where I've been driving and I've seen accidents happen. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to help at that time, but now that I've got the RAPAIDs, I know that that's something I can help people.
We tried to keep it as simple as possible, so it's just the 4 pressure bar bandages, and there's no training needed, you don't need any specialist training, and you know, your job is really to carry them for everybody, so they see the sticker, they know that they can flag you down and you can hand the kit out. But if you do want to help, it's literally just unwrap the bandage and put it on the injury. Well, I got an email about sort of a year ago, somebody had been stabbed up at King's Cross.
Right.
And the police officers ran out to the taxi rank and they said, where's one of those cabs? And a cabbie handed them the pack, and they ran back in and dealt with this lad who'd been stabbed. And I got this email and I was like, oh my God, you know.
So the police officer went to the black cab and asked for the RAPAID
kit. Yeah, they knew to go to, they ran to the taxi rank and actually said, where's one of those cabs? And they handed them the pack. And when I got that email, I thought, oh my God, you know, if one bandage saves one life, we've done it.